Does work ever really end? I don't know, but I don't think I want it to either. Even though I don't like admitting it to myself, I think I'm one of those people who feels the happiest when, their mind is occupied with something. There's always a thought or a plan or a deadline or an idea or an evening that I'm looking forward to. I sometimes get lost in the ideas of the thought rather than the actual event. I don't know if that's a healthy thing, but it's true. Today was one of those days. Every once in a while, I find myself not listening to music on my way to work, and today was one of those mornings. Sometimes I like giving myself that kind of chance to just zone out and sit with my thoughts instead of constantly distracting myself from them. And today was one of those days where I just walked into work, and because I was already kind of taking on work from the next day, I was already thinking a little extra about how my day was going to flow because we've had such a packed week with timelines and so many other deliverables. I work in marketing, by the way, and around 2 years ago, I decided this was the route I wanted for myself because it hits all the right spots for me. It's creative. I like the fact that it makes me kind of think also. And at the same time, it's also about perception, what I really like about this as a function, about how the world chooses to view as a brand, a company, an idea, and that is something I get to work on. It is also one of those fields where you can actually feel whether your work is being received well or not, while simultaneously trying to kind of, make sense of all the inputs and the data that comes at you from every direction. And on top of that, you also work with so many people and so many teams, and no 2 days ever feel the same. You're always doing something different. And for someone like me who likes to, not want their day to feel the same, specifically when I'm working 8 or more hours at the same desk, I would really like a little bit of change. I also do like taking notes, like a lot of them, and also there's something satisfying about highlighting the tasks once they're done. I sound like such a type A personality, which I absolutely am, but recently I've been wondering what it would be like to, become like a type B person for once and just wing it and kind of go with the flow, which sounds really peaceful for me. But every time I find myself in environments which are very fast paced and dynamic, I tend to plan out a lot of things. And we recently shifted into a cabin as a marketing team. While I really like it, but I also kind of miss sitting outside with everyone and also particularly miss the view from the 36th floor of my office. And by lunchtime, which is one of my favorite times that I really look forward to, is the time when I start starving, and which always happens after I finish my most heavy work in brainstorming, which I really like to pack up in the first half of the day. One of my favorite parts of my day is honestly opening the tiffin that my mom packs for me. I genuinely get excited by the idea about, what she's packed for the day. And I'm someone who really like home cooked meals after like a long day at work, especially the first half, because that's where I like to get most of my heavy work, pulled in. And after lunch, what I usually like to do is go for a small walk because I realize if I sit for too long at my desk without stretching my legs, my thought starts to, kind of slow down. I tend to feel a little slow in my thought process. I need to give my body a push. And also, the AC inside my cabin is really freezing, so I need to kind of warm up the engine once in a while. And most of my work today was a very, thorough and detail oriented, quite research heavy, which means I really had to lock in 45 minutes of deep focus and 10 minutes of a breather and then back again. That's what I literally keep telling myself because that's how I've realized in terms of spacing out my thought processes and implementing them works really well for me. And today was one of those days that after the work was done, I was already thinking about what I'm gonna do after going back home. It's like one of those strange feelings where I'm already looking forward to end my day. And again, like I said in the beginning, I get excited about the idea of how a thing is going to happen rather than the actual execution of it. And today I decided to take a cab home because I was really mentally exhausted. I like taking the metro because honestly it saves a lot of time for me, but today I just wanted a little more of comfort rather than the efficiency. And somewhere all in the middle of all of this, while I was taking a call, the driver got confused and he happened to take the wrong turn. And a lot of times while I'm going back home in the cab, I don't really like to take calls, but I have no other choice but to do that, because if the work calls, I do usually take it. But this was the last stretch of my, well, commute, and Mumbai sunsets, particularly during summer, which is this time, are really pretty, and they have these beautiful hues of yellows and oranges and sometimes even purple, which is crazy. And for a second, I just, you know, wished I could sit on Marine Drive for a while, which I ever pass almost every single day. But I don't get to see it while I'm traveling in the train, and I wish I could just sit there like all these people and just swing my legs and just feel the sea breeze, which I haven't really done in a really, really long time. And yeah, this is just me signing off. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. I'm really tired. I didn't even bother to, I don't know, focus the camera on this one. Anyway, see you guys. Bye.